Today I am also going to be processing this giant zucchini that I harvested the other day, and I better process it before it goes bad, but it is really too big to do anything with except shredding, cubing, or making pineapple zucchini. When you cut the zucchini in half, you see that there's, when one is that big, there's a lot of seeds inside. So those seeds have to be cut off. And then you cube it like that. And now it's time to fill the jars. These are pine jars. I'm filling them just like this. And yes, I use my bare hands because they're clean, and it's my family that's getting these. So then I add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and the pineapple juice. Now I need to debubble. And this is an old chopstick that was never used in the Chinese restaurant. I just use it to debubble. And then when I do this, I usually end up adding a little bit more juice. And I have to wipe the rims. Just use paper towel, clean paper towel with some vinegar or water, and wipe the rims. All are out of the canner, and they're going to be sealing here pretty soon. You're going to hear popping of the seals as they seal, as they cool down. But they're ready, and they're going to go into storage now for probably a couple of months, and then we'll open some up and see what they're like. Canned pineapple zucchini. Awesome. Isn't that a cute little timer? We got that from, let's see if I can turn it around so you can see where it's from. 4 jars. Isn't that cute? I was hoping I would get the popping of one so you could hear it.